Now communication PLC to PC. You can connect the Micrologix 1000 PLC to your PC using a serial cable from your personal computer serial port to the microcontroller. Name of cable is PM02. By this cable, you can easily connect your PLC to PC. This is 9-pin D-shell connector and is connected to PC. And here it is 8-pin mini-DIN connector and it is connected to the PLC. Now wiring diagram of PLC Micrologix 1000. In this program or diagram, we are using SMPS for providing the supply to the PLC, that is 24 volt DC. Here you can see there are two terminals, one for positive supply and second for negative supply. In this, red line indicates the positive 24 volt supply for the input of SMPS. We have to give 230 volt AC. This PLC has 6 digital input and 4 digital output. So for this PLC, we can only connect for the input or output digital. For the input, we can connect push button, limit switch, proximity sensor, photoelectric sensor, etc. And for the output, we can connect relay, contactor, LEDs, buzzer, hooters, etc. These are the push button and all are normally open type. In the bottom side, these are output LEDs. Here, these are the built-in display. When any output or input is true, it means receive the bit 1. Then a LED glow for the same terminal. If I0 receives the bit from the input push button, then I0 LED will turn on. Here there are 4 LEDs. These are displaying the mode of PLC. When the program LED is turning on, then it display you can download or upload the program to PLC through computer, or you can also program this PLC. Run LED is for when the PLC is ready to operate. If PLC input or output port are having some problem, then error LED will get turned on. It will also turn on when there is a mistake in program. And for the last, force LED is indicate if you turning on a input or output by using a computer, then it will turn on. In the programming software, there is a tab for this. This is the communication port. Here 8-pin mini-DIN connector will insert for communication to computer. In this wiring diagram, all the inputs are connected in syncing type while outputs are in sourcing type.